My dear student, in the determinant part 5, we discuss the adjoint and inverse of the matrix. This is the very important and scoring chapter. In part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, we discuss the determinant and how can we find the using the property, evaluate the value, evaluate the determinant property, and how can find the area of a triangle, and how can find the minor and cofactor. Now, in this topic, we discuss what is the adjoint of the matrix and what is the inverse of the matrix. Now, what is the formula for the adjoint of the matrix? In the previous lecture, we discussed how can we find the minor and how can we find the cofactor. Then in this content, we discuss the adjoint and inverse of the matrix. Adjoint of the matrix. What is the formula? Formula adjoint of matrix. And formula adjoint A. Formula adjoint A equal to we find the cofactor of all the elements. Cofactor, how can we look at A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Transpose of the matrix cofactor. First you find the cofactor of the other element. A11 means cofactor of the first element. If this is the 3 by 3 into 3 matrix, 3 row, 3 column, then what is A11? A11 is the cofactor of the first element, cofactor of the second element, cofactor of the third element, and so many. And you take the transpose of the cofactor is adjoint of the matrix. What is the formula? You take the transpose of the cofactor. Transpose means you discuss what is the transpose, change row into column. Now, suppose we discuss the example, and in help of this example, we evaluate the value of the adjoint A and process. What is the process? Suppose this is the example, and suppose this is the matrix A. This is the matrix A, then this is the matrix A. This is the first element 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Now, firstly you find the cofactor of all the elements. And you know how can you find the cofactor? A11. This is the plus. And you forget this row and this column. This is the 4, 3, 3, 4. And what is the value? 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. And this is the 7. 16 minus 9. and A12. A12. This is the A12. Forget this row and this column, and you put here minus sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, you know. Now A12. Forget this row and this column. Then what is the 1, 3, 1, 4. Forget this row and this column. 1, 1, 3, 4. And this is the 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. A12. And this is here minus sign. And this is the minus. Minus. A13. A13. This is plus. Why plus? We discussed in previous lecture. Now this is the A13. Forget this row, this column. Then what is the 1, 4, 1, 3. Then this is the 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now cofactor A21. A21. This is minus or plus? Minus. Now forget this row, this column, and what is 3, 3, 3, 4. 3, this row, this column, 3, 3, 3, 4. And this is the minus sign here, and 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9, 4. And this is the minus 4. A21 down. A22. A22. This is the plus or minus? Plus. You know, we discussed the previous lecture. Now, forget this row, this column, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4. And what is the value? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Now, A23. A23. Plus or minus? Minus. So this is the A23. Forget this row, this column, 1, 3, 1, 3. This is the 1, 3, 1, 3. And what is this? 3 minus 3, 0. 2, 3. Now, A23. Now, you find the A31. A31. This is the 4, 3. Forget this A. This is the A31. Forget this row, this column, 3, 3, 4, 3. And this is the 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 means minus 3. Now A32. A32. This is the A32. A32. Now plus or minus? This is the minus. Alternate. Now forget this row, this column, 1, 3, 1, 3. What is this? 1, 3, 1, 3. This is the A3. Forget this row, this column. What is remaining? 1, 3, 1, 3. Then this is the 3 minus 3. This is the 0. Now A33. A33. A plus or minus? Plus. Forget this row, this column. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then this is the 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Now we find all the cofactors. Now we check A11, A12, A13. This is A21. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. And this is the minus. Understand? Now adjoint A. Adjoint A. What is the formula? Adjoint A. a transpose of the cofactor. Now, what is the adjoint A? Adjoint A equal to, now that A11 7 A12 minus 1. This is also minus 1. This is also minus 1. And this is a minus 3. Minus 3. A21 minus 3. 1 0. Minus 3 1 0. And this is the minus 3. Minus 3 0 and 1. Now, you take the transpose. Transpose means change the row in column. Change the row in column. Then adjoint A equal to, what is the value of adjoint A? 7 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0. This is the value of adjoint A. Now, second topic, how can we find the inverse? What is the formula for inverse? Now we discuss how can we find the inverse of the matrix. How can we find the inverse of the matrix? Inverse of matrix. What is the formula? Formula is adjoint A upon determinant A. What is the formula? Adjoint A upon determinant A. Now, here we calculate the value of the adjoint A. Now we calculate the value of determinant A. Determinant A, this is the A, value of A. Determinant A, find the value of determinant 1 3 3 1 3 3 1 4 1 4 3 1 3 4. Now you calculate the value of determinant. The value of determinant. Now this is the 1 and this is the 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. This is the plus minus 3. Now if I forget this row, this column, then this is the 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Now plus 3. Now using the first row. In the first lecture we discussed. 3. Forget this row, this column. This is the 3 and this is the minus 4. Now solve this. This is the 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, 5. 7. 16 minus 9, 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. And this is the also 3 minus 4. Minus 1 into 3. This is the minus 3. Then what is the value of determinant? A. Determinant A is the 1. Now A inverse. What is the formula? A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. You calculate the value of adjoint A. Adjoint A, this is the 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. And what is the value of determinant A? 1. Divide by 1. When you divide 1, this is the same value, then A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the answer. Now student, this is the last topic of this chapter, last content, and this is a very important content. Every year you get 6 marks in this content. What is content? Solve the system of the linear equation by the matrix method. Suppose 3 equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Now, you can write these equations in the matrix form: a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, x, y, z, d1, d2, d3. When you multiply these matrix and you get these equations. Now, suppose this is the matrix A. This is the matrix A. This is the matrix X. And this is the matrix B. Then AX equal to B. Now, you multiply both sides by the A inverse. Then this is the A inverse A into X, and this is A inverse B. A inverse into A equal to identity matrix, IX equal to A inverse B. Identity matrix का किसी मैट्रिक्स में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम मैट्रिक्स, then X equal to A inverse B. This is the formula for finding the value of X, Y, Z for any linear equation. Now, we give one example. And solve. How can you solve these value of the X, Y, Z? Suppose first equation, X plus Y plus Z equal to 6. X plus Y, X. First equation, example, X plus Y plus Z equal to 6. And second equation, Y plus 3Z equal to 11. Y plus 3Z equal to 11. X minus 2Y plus Z equal to 0. Now write these equations. Suppose this is equation first, second, third. Write these equations in the matrix form. Then what is the value? This is the 1, 1, 1. First equation, X is 0, 0, 1, 3. Now 1 minus 2, 1. This is the A. This is the matrix A. And X. X, Y, Z. X, Z, and B. What is the value of B? 6, 11, 0. Now, what is this is the A, this is the X, and this is the B. A, X equal to B. Then what is the formula? X equal to A inverse B. Then by the formula, X, Y, Z equal to A inverse यानी 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. You find the inverse, A inverse, X equal to A inverse B. A inverse B, and this is 6, 11, 0. Now, you find the value of the A inverse. You know the process. How can you find the A inverse? Adjoint A upon determinant A. How can you find the adjoint A? by the taking the transpose of the cofactors. Suppose this is the A, this is A. Now find A inverse. A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. The value of A equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Now you find all the cofactor A11, A12. Now A11, A11. Forget this row, this column. Then 1, 3, minus 2, 1. Then this is the 1, 1. This is the 1 minus 6 plus 6. This is the 7. A12, A12, A12 minus. Forget this row, this column. 0, 3, 1, 1. Then this is the minus 0, minus 3, and this is 3. 0 minus 3, and this is the 3. A13, 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 plus and minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Then this is the, forget this row, this column. 0, 1, 1, minus 2. Then this is the 0, minus 1. This is the 0, minus 1. And this is the minus 1. A13. Now, A21. A21 plus or minus, A21 plus or minus. Forget this row, this column. Then 1, 1, minus 2, 1. And this is the 1 minus, minus. This is the minus 1 minus 2 minus plus. So 1 plus 2, 3. And this is the minus 3. Now A 22, A22, A22. Forget this row, this column. Then this is the 1, 1. This is the 1, 1, 1, 1. Then this is the 0. 1 minus 1, 0. A23, A23, A23. A23. Now forget this row, this column. Then this is the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 2. This is the minus 2. And this is the minus 1. This is the minus 3. Minus 3. But A23 minus. Then this is the minus and minus. Minus 3. And this is the plus 3. A23. Now, you come to A31, 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 A31. Plus or minus, plus A3. Forget this row, this column. 1, 1, 1. Then this is the 3, 3 minus 1. This is the 2. 3 minus 4, 2. A32, A32. This is minus. Now, forget this row, this column. Then what is the value? 1, 1, 0, 3. And this is the minus 3. 3 minus 0, minus 3. A32, A33, A33. Now, A33, forget this row, this column. This is the 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And 1, 0, 1. A31, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then this is the 1 minus 0. This is the 0. Now I will find the adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A. What is the adjoint A? Transpose of the cofactors. Adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A. Transpose of the cofactor. Then 7, 3, 7, 7, 3, minus 1, 7, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 3, minus 3, 0, and 3, 3. Now 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 0. Now, taking the transpose. Transpose means you change the row in column. You change row in column. Then this is the 7, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. This is the value of the adjoint A. Now we find the determinant A. And determinant A. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? The value of A is the 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Now determinant 1, 1. First row, first column. This is the 1 minus 6, minus 6 yani plus 6. 1. This is the minus 1. This is the minus 1. Forget this row, this column. And this is the 0, 0, minus 3, and plus 1, plus 1. This row and this column is the 0, 0, minus 1. Then this is the 7, and this is the plus 3, and this is the minus 1. Then this is the value of determinant A. The value of determinant A equal to 9. And adjoint A. Now check A11, A2, 1, 2, A31, A31, 1, 3 minus 1, A32, 3 minus 0, A33, 1 minus 0, 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1, then A33, A33 is 1. Then 2 minus 3, third row and third column 2, 3, 2 minus 3, first row 7, 3, 7, 3 minus 1, first row, first column adjoint A, first row 7, 3 minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3, 2 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 3, 1. This is the value of adjoint A, and this is the value of determinant A. Then A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Now, what is the value of adjoint A? This is the value of adjoint A. Now, you divide the determinant A, 9. You divide 1 by 9. Then this is the 7 minus 3, 2, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 1, 3, 1, and 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. This is the A inverse. Now what is the formula? Formula is x equal to A inverse B. Then x, y, z. And formula is, this is the formula. x equal to A inverse B. You calculate the value of A inverse, then x, y, z, then x, y, z equal to A inverse yani 1 upon 9, 7, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 1, and what is the value of B? 6, 11, 0. 6, 11, 0. Now, you multiply first row in first column. This is the 1 by 9. First row in first column. This is the then 40 first row. 42 minus 33. 42 minus 33. And second row, second column. This is the 18 minus 0, minus 0. Then this is the third row in third column, minus 6 plus minus 6 plus 33 0. Then this is the 1 upon 9. Then this is the 9. 42 minus 33, 9, 18. This is the 27 plus 27. Now divide by the 9. When divide 9, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. Then what is the value of x, y, z? X, y, z. This is the value 1, 2, 3. Getting any equation, x plus y, x is 1, y is 2, and z is 3. Satisfy the equations? Then this is the solution. Now, in the last content is completed in determinant chapter. This is a very important topic. Now, what is the assignment? The assignment is the NCERT exercise 4.5 and 4.6 and miscellaneous. What is assignment? Assignment exercise 4.5 and 4.6. Exercise 4.5, exercise 4.6, and NCERT miscellaneous, and 4 questions given in RD Sharma. NCERT, and 4 questions given in RD Sharma. I think at least 20 questions you saw. Okay.